Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert an image to your email body on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook as well as an image we will be inserting into the email body. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go over onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Microsoft Outlook application. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, we will navigate to the top left corner of the screen where it says new email. We will now compile the email. Hello. This is a test email. Please see the image. And then a couple of spaces as we will be attaching that image within the email, not as an attachment. Kind regards. Admin, go to subject. Test email. Within recipient, we will type the Computer Science Videos business at Gmail account email. There we go. Double click on this to expand the email to check that you are sending to the correct email. So let's now move desktop, go all the way around to the dock, go to the find application, go within pictures, take an image, highlight, Command C to copy, go to the desktop. Command V to paste, close Finder, rename the image, and so now what we will do is drag and drop this image. If I were to, let's just say, minimize the Outlook application, decrease the size of the email window, take that image, drag and drop, and place within your email. So we can now send this email to the Gmail account by clicking on send. By that notification, you should have seen that this has been sent to the Gmail account. So now let's go all the way around to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the additional web browser, Google Chrome, wait for that to load, navigate to your Gmail account by the shortcut on the top right, and now click on that email received. Hello, this is a test email. Please see the image attached to this email. There we go. Kind regards, admin. We can now quit Google Chrome. We can now go all the way around to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook, quit Outlook. And so that's over this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.